This is the Rayline Row WD200W series wall printer. The accessory box contains a control computer and print head, manual, battery, a set of ink, a bottle of cleaning fluid, a bottle of maintenance fluid, tool wrench, power cord, stylus, spare screws. Align the V-shaped joints at both ends of the track. Lock the buckles on both sides. Track splicing completed. Place the machine on the track. The grooves of the roller need to be aligned with the track. Install the battery and connect the plug correctly. Connect the control cable to the computer. Secure the computer to the base. Install the print head with screws. When connecting the optical fiber plug, please pay attention to aligning the card slot. Connect the print head power plug. Connect the UV lamp control line plug. Expand collapse. Finally, lock the buckle. Assembly completed. Thank you for watching.